Meet ATTEN ST-80 good soldering station. 80-watt precision soldering, backed by EU CE certification for safety and quality. Powered by a 4-core ceramic heater for rapid heating and superior thermal recovery. Each unit carries an anti-counterfeit label, verify authenticity instantly. Full copper transformer core ensures 92% energy efficiency and stable 80-watt output. 3 programmable presets, save and recall your favorite temps in one tap. Work smarter. Activate the temperature lock function, prevent accidental changes during critical tasks. Auto sleep conserves energy after 1 to 120 minutes idle. Automatic standby reduces tip oxidation, extending lifespan. Set auto shutdown from 1 to 120 minutes. Perfect for unattended safety. Precision control, tune temperature in 5 degrees Celsius steps for speed, or 1 degree Celsius for micro adjustments. Switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit with one button, flexibility for global users. Industrial-grade silicone cable, heat-resistant, tangle-free, and durable against cuts and folds. Unlock versatility with T900 series tips. T900B, fine conical perfect for through-hole work. T900-4C, bevel micro-soldering precision. T900K, knife drag soldering and SMD rework. ST-80, where power meets precision.